Hi, thanks for joining me on Give Cheese a Chance, where I encourage you to make cheese at home. I'm Marianne. A few months ago, I wanted to make a demonstration video on how to make brie cheese at home. The problem was that I had several different recipes, and while they all made good brie cheeses, they all used different ingredients and different techniques. I couldn't decide which recipe to use. So what I did instead is I made 4 different bries, and today I'm having 4 guests come over to judge those bries so that I can determine which brie tasted the best. Based on those results, I will make an upcoming video on the best recipe to make the best brie cheese. Here are the 4 bries that I made over 5 weeks ago, all with slightly different ingredients or amounts and using different instructions. These bries use cow's milk from the same Ontario dairy and all use the same amounts of rennet, calcium chloride, and fungal cultures. But they have differences in incubation times, bacterial cultures and their amounts, and technique variations. And here are 4 of my friends who will be my culinary judges. There's Rye, Ruth, Sandra, and Owen. They will evaluate the 4 bries on their taste, texture, appearance, and aroma using a scale from 1 to 5 for each criteria. So here are 4 different homemade bries based on 4 different recipes. I want you to judge them based on 4 different criteria: aroma, texture, taste, and appearance. Let's listen in as Ruth and Rye judge the bries.
So this one feels quite dry, as opposed to what I would normally expect from a brie.
Appearance.
It's got a very mild smell and a little musty.
Definitely.
Ready or not, here it comes.
Oh, this is quite different. This is definitely moister looking. Oh, I like the look of
It's
that.
a lot more moist looking.
Creamy.
And the rind. I like the rind on this one better too.
It's even better. But the taste was delicious.
They've been getting tangier as we've been going down.
Oh man, that's good. That's more complex, even than the. Oh man, that's amazing.
Oh, good. Here.
Yum. Well, I think that looks wonderful. Do you smell anything
The
else?
texture, that's the creamiest yet. And that's my favorite.
Yeah,
It's got more tang.
it's got more tang. Definitely tangy.
It's got a deeper, richer flavor. Wow.
It's very nice.
But I must admit, I'm having some difficulty between 3 and 4 here.
I didn't have a clear winner, did you?
Yep,
Which one?
the 4th one. I have to admit though, it was really tough between 3 and 4 for me.
I liked 3 best, but it was close. Like, I thought they were all really, really good.
So originally I had chosen number 4 as
You really
the
liked
as
4.
the top. Yeah, as I went down the line, and then I was just a little worried. Am I just sort of
Am I
like
favoring 4?
picking? So I had to go all the way back to 1 and then start doing head-to-head tests.
I can see why people would have picked 4 because it has this tanginess that, to me, is very distinctive and delicious.
But to me, 3 was richer, whereas 4 was smoother. And as far as the taste goes, I just found the taste of number 4 to have a lot more
Character.
a lot more character. Yeah. So it was tangier. I was getting hints of caramelization. Maybe I'm being disingenuous. In this case, this is about the cheese. Number 4 is my choice. If I'm thinking about
You wanted
cheese
to
as
go for
part of an
4.
overall meal, I would be thinking of 3. Number 1 is actually the one I would probably be going back to just because it's easier to handle and serve, say at a cocktail party.
Yeah.
If cheese was my meal, I would be, number 4 is what I would be ordering.
But who wants to have that much fun?
Okay, well this has been fun.
And now it's Sandra and Owen's turn to judge the Bries.
Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece for you.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Smell. Rind.
It smells really good.
Oh God, yeah. It is here,
And then it's
oozy
melted.
back here, and we're not.
Okay.
Not as strong, no. I'm gonna eat the rind.
Okay.
Yes, it is smoother, definitely, and more flavorful. And yet I liked the taste of the last one too. This has more flavor.
I would give this one higher,
Higher.
than the last one.
Yeah.
It's a lot creamier,
What is it?
I think.
It's
Buttery?
creamier.
No.
Wait, is it creamier? There's a tanginess to it.
I like this one quite a lot.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan.
I like the tanginess. I think tanginess is the right word. You need
Oh, this one is gonna be oozy. Even at the front. Oh yes. Oh, it is a strong smell. It has a lot of presence, but it's not. What's the word? Overpowering. And I love the rind.
Yeah, I like strong flavors in cheeses. So yeah,
Oh.
it has the most rind. You can taste it for sure. I think I'm tempted to just give this one all 5s. The other ones were all great, but
They're all fantastic.
I would call this one outstanding.
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Which cheese did you think was the best?
Brie number 4.
Brie number 4, clear winner.
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because of the strong taste, strong smell, it had the most rind presence, which I really like.
Well, it was a tough decision, but after all the votes came in, the decision was that Brie number 4 was the best, with Brie number 3 a close second. They just thought the taste and the texture was best with Brie number 4. Now, they did make an interesting comment that if they went to a party, they probably would prefer to see Brie number 1, which had more of a stabilized paste. It doesn't have the ooey gooiness of these other cheeses. They just didn't want all this ooey gooiness to be on a platter if they saw it at a party. But in terms of taste and texture and creaminess, Brie number 4 was the winner, with Brie number 3 a close second. So that determines that on my next cheese video, for when I make Brie at home, I'm gonna give you the recipe for how to make this Brie number 4. Thanks so much for joining me on Give Cheese a Chance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and make sure to also click the subscribe button so you can see my videos in the future. We'll see you later.